a popular Gujarati recipe which is prepared from gram flour.
This is very soft and delicious breakfast from Gujarat.
Hey guys, I am Atharva Dalvi, creator of Food on Fire.
So let's get started with our new recipe. For the tempering, we required mustard seeds, oil, lemon, sugar, curry leaves and some green chilies. Let's get started with the dhokla batter now. Take 1.5 cup of gram flour, in which I am going to add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of sugar, pour little water, mix it again to get thick creamy consistency. Mix well so there will be no lumps. Till then I am going to grease my tin with little oil. In this batter we are gonna add 5 grams of soda and the lime juice which we have. Mix this mixture properly. So we kept the water for boiling now. Keep this in steamer. I'm going to take off this lid and going to insert this knife so that we can check. If it is sticky, keep for another 5 minutes. If it is not, remove this. Heat up the pan in which I am going to add oil. Add mustard seeds. After crackling, we are going to add curry leaves. Slit chilies. Little sugar. And some water. Here we are going to squeeze some lemon. I'm going to cut this dhokla. We cut it in the even pieces. You can see this is very spongy. We are going to pour this tempering which we have prepared. Grated coconut on top.